Hi there, welcome to John's Workshop. This is part 8 of my NASA Apollo Lunar Rover build. Last time built this section of the rover with these solar panels and different sections of the I guess front forward chassis, I guess as it might be called. And it just slides on the front here. Anyway, now we're going to continue. Okay, looks like I got everything sorted here, so let's get started. Now, I'm not sure what this is, but it's got quite a few little pieces here. A lot of gold this time, a lot of gold. Okay. That's supposed to go on this side, and then a bar here. And I have the gray stud on top, I believe, with this wheel or rim. It's supposed to go this way, and then a candlestick. So a dish, maybe a little dish. Okay, so this is supposed to go on, oh, it goes on this side, right? And then it's supposed to like angle, there we go, like that. Now next we have the camera. A camera, I think. And that's a trans clear piece, I believe. And then we have gray. Okay, and then we have this guy goes this way. How is that? Oh, what's the other way? Like that. There we go. That makes more sense. And we have a gray tile. And then a claw piece. Now we have this one and another, oh, just the white bar. White bar, oh, so that's the camera. It is a camera, see? Like so. There's that, and then I have, take this, a stud pin, bar, clip. Okay, and then this goes on here. And I have to put a map on here, sticker number 13. It's got a little map. A map of the moon. It's supposed to show which way. It says it's showing like this way. The map of the moon. And then that actually clips on like so, I guess, and turns. And then how does that go? That's supposed to go on. Oops, did I put that on the wrong side? This is supposed to go on this side. And this one goes on this side, I guess. And just, yeah, there we go. Oh, okay, he's looking at that. Okay. That's neat. Now what's next? We have another bracket here. And this goes here. Fun. And this gold slope. It's pretty cool. Gold colored stuff is always neat to have. It doesn't look right in there, but they're all gold colored in here. So we got this guy. And then I gotta make another thing here. Except it's with the, there is a 1x brick here. Stack it up, and there is a tile. Goes on there. Then you alternate this the other way. Like that. And the other gold 2x2 tile. Red axle. Okay, how is that supposed to go on? Well, we got this axle. Guess I can put two of these on here and a collar on the other side. Okay, and then that. Just go like that. Now what? Another trans clear, and then a 4, or it's not 4, it's 5, all 4 sides. Snot brick here. And then a 2/3 brick. The 2/3 brick is just a curious brick. Oh, I see, it makes it easier to do this. Oh, okay, that makes more sense. Why you would make the 2/3 brick. It's to help out with the Lego math on the snot bricks and connecting them on the sides, because now it wants me to put all these tiles on the sides, right? So this is supposed to go this way. Then we have these 1x6 gold tiles. Okay, and that goes there. And then this goes here. And then we have a 1x2 tile going here. Okay. Flip it around. That goes there. We have a claw. Okay. And this is supposed to hook up like this. Okay. Oh, this is another kind of camera. Isn't that neat? Okay, now that has to go on the... Oh, that goes in here. Okay. There we go. Does it turn? No, it's just there. Now what's the next piece here? Making quite a lot of these, you know, instruments, I guess they are. All these scientific instruments that were on the rover. This goes here, and we have a clip. It shows it slightly turned. Maybe it's supposed to be turned that way, I don't know. And now, it's 1x2, we have 2 gray studs here. The jumper, another gray stud, one of the gray bars. And oh, forks, this is what the forks are for. We're putting forks down here for some reason. Got 2 forks. Okay. Now, that was going this way to hold the forks. Okay. And now we have another bar here. 90-degree axle connector. Okay, now that's off to the side. This gold life preserver piece. Okay, this axle's going through here. Now we put this on. one of these beams and a black axle here. Okay, now what are we doing here? We got this, we've got the axle pin, then this, and then that is supposed to go onto here, like that. Is that sticking out? No, we got a little problem, because that should be sticking out a little bit more, because it's very... It's just going to be really hard to put that through. Okay, get that in there. This is just hard with these half beams not wanting to cooperate, but let's push that down and okay, something's... Oh, I forgot to put... Wait. Oh, that was put on wrong. Okay, well, let's just take that whole thing off. That's not the right way to do it. That is not the right way to do it. Okay, get that out of there. Okay. Now it's supposed to go like this. So if I hook that up there, then I could just push this one through here, in theory. There. That's better. Okay, now I take this connector, another bar, and I have this guy, stud pin, and the black stud, and then that goes over here. Okay. When we flip this around, I put another axle connector on the other side. Bar, dish, and is that the gray? Wait, I think that's actually going the opposite way. Okay. And then, oh, I take 8 of these. We're gonna hook them up to that. That life preserver. Okay. I see. And try to put them in the middle. There we go. That is a something. Now what? Oh, those are supposed to open. So those will open, I guess? Oh, wait a second, I didn't hook that up to... So that goes into... Oh, that goes in there. Okay. and then that'll open up. And I'll put that up on the other side here. That goes over here. And this way. Goes this way. Then you can turn this, and then this can be all open like that. So that's the way that goes. Okay. Now we have more. Okay, this looks like a bit more chunky of a piece to get put together. There. Okay, now sticker 19. Some more wax. On this one, this looks like it might have an inductor on it. Okay, and then that goes there. No, not that way, other way. Not sure if it's important or not, but somewhat, I imagine. So there, we have that there. And then this is going over here. That goes there. Oh, I was supposed to put another. Didn't notice that. That goes there first. Okay. And we have this here. There's this one. This one goes over here. And now, oh, I gotta try to stick sticker number 6 in between there. Why? It's just wax. Why wouldn't they just tell me to put that on before I stuck that together? Okay. Not too bad, not too bad. I should have put that on before you stuck it together, man. That would have been a good plan. Okay, now we have number 20 on just a little couple of circuits here. On this green tile. And that goes here. And I gotta take 6 of these. Headlight bricks. And then you go around this edge. Okay, oh, now we have tile. And we're putting the tiles on the headlight bricks. Okay, like that. And we put some tiles on top. That. Oh. Got a little case here. We're gonna put a sticker number 29. Oh, that's what that one's for. Okay. There we go. And that slides in here. Interesting. It's a battery pack. Slide it in, slide it out maybe. Put that right there. Now we have these two. Okay, and then clips here. I like how there's all this detail on the inside that we're adding. Okay. Something doesn't seem right here. I think I have this on the wrong way. Okay, let's just go back here. Yeah, these are the wrong way. These go this way. Okay, now stickers 27. The last sticker's on that sticker sheet. A little trickier putting them on kind of these modified plates. There we go. And now I have to make this piece. Come on. Okay, and then goes this way. Okay, and then this goes like this. Here we go. And I gotta take these and put stickers 11 and 12 on these cheese slopes. I don't need this anymore. Oh, that's supposed to go the other way, apparently. And then 12. This is like a little switch and a light, I think. Okay, and then where do these go? They go over here. Like so. Okay, now we got the main part here. We got to do this 2 times. And then the gold bar. And that goes here. Right? Oh, it is right. That's everything, I think. Okay. And that goes on the front there on this, and that's supposed to hang like so. And there's just a lot of panels on here. Well, that has been part 8 of my NASA Apollo Lunar Rover build. Built a number of instruments and panels and stuff. It's got this little piece here. We got a camera over here in gold. We got another camera up here. I think this was one they would carry around. It's got a little map on it as well over here. Got this little antenna here, and then got this bigger antenna over here. So, and that all folds together as well. So you can fold it and unfold it. I think that's for putting it in the transport mode. Anyway, if you'd like to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and take it easy.